2006 Roush Mustang Stage 1 Coupe. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little under 6,500 miles is all in this one. As far as the Stage 1, Roush is a 6-piece aero body kit. Roush chrome wheels. Rear exit high performance exhaust and tips. Lower valance with fog lamps. Embroidered floor mats, those look like they've never been used, will be included with the car. Fender badges, front windshield banners you can see, decklet emblem also, and of course that hood scoop you see. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. I believe this was tungsten gray. Don't hold me to that though. You'll be able to see the door tag with the paint coat on it. If you want to check it out for yourself in those still pictures. There you get an idea on those Roush chrome wheels. Riding on General G-Max radial tires. Extremely clean car. It's what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. Of course, the 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's the said floor mats I was talking about with the Roush embroidering on them. Also has the perma plate. Kind of an aftermarket paint treatment from the dealer originally when it was bought, and of course the Roush performance car cover for it. And again, you can see all that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description, and it'll take you right there if you're seeing this on YouTube. Take a look up and down the driver's side of the car. Again, pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches that I've seen. Paint, very nice condition. Roush rear wing on it also. Go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior here. Pull that key so you don't have to listen to that in a second. Take a look at the door panels. Seat, what you'd expect with that kind of miles. Nowhere. This one will not disappoint, of course. Power seat here on the driver's side. It has the stock floor mats that would have came with as a GT still in it. I don't think those Roush ones have really been used. Roush pedals, Roush shift knob. Naming a few more things. Roush white face gauges. There's your exact miles. Right below Jack's signature, 6498. Roush Stage 1 badging on the dash. AC does blow cold, FYI. Dash in nice shape. Headliner. Car speaks for itself. Nice sounding car too. A little rumble coming out of that 4.6. Here's a 3-valve V8. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open and check out that end.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Good liner. You can see this car has never been driven in any sort of inclement weather. It is like brand new, as well as the rest of this engine bay. There you go, good looking car, low mile, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 06 Roush Mustang Coupe Stage 1. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.